bandera malo, bandera malo, bandera malo.
Your Excellency, just like you have been visiting the farmers in other districts and those who are engaged in other wealth creation activities, we believe and we request you that you should also come to Noya and visit our farmers here and you see the good things that they are doing. The issue of problem animals, especially the elephants, that is destroying our crops, killing the communities and causing many destructions.
I will instruct the Prime Minister to follow up the compensation for the people whose crops were destroyed by the elephants. And we are continuing to send 100 million per parish. We are going to add 15 million. And that Apara Beach is for the leaders, local leaders.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.